buildings crumbled as people ran for their lives in the aftermath of powerful earthquakes in Turkey. The death and injury tolls continue to rise after a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck Turkey on February 6. Estimates say at least 1,800 people are dead between Turkey and Syria. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, this is the strongest earthquake to hit the area in over 100 years. Videos show buildings collapsing to the ground following the initial quake and the 7.5 magnitude aftershock that followed. The World Health Organization says it has activated teams in the region that will provide essential health